Hey, this is Jonathan with SOS Roofing. I'm going to be repairing this wind damaged shingle here at 222 Miller Street. If you want to let me see the phone for a sec, I'll show you the shingle that we're about to be replacing. Clear creased wind damaged shingle here. Here's the shingles around it. Alright, and the only shingle we have to repair, because we only use architectural shingles for our replacements, is this architectural. So I'm probably going to take this out and put it back in. So right off the bat, we've got intensive mat transfer. As you can see, all around this shingle. It's the first one I've pried up right on top of the wind damage here. So first one pried up, no creasing, a little bit of tearing right here it seems, but a lot of mat transfer. So I'll keep going. And mat transfer is going to keep the shingle from resealing properly after we put a new one in. So that's what that is. Doing my best to keep this thing. That one came out not too bad. A lot of mat transfer on the top of this one right here, but not a ton over there. Alright, I'm gonna start pulling nails. I got them all loose now. As you can see, a little bit of tearing on that shingle there. We'll keep it going. And yeah, as you can tell, mat transfer all the way across the top of these. These are not going to reseal properly. Look at that big chunk. So that's going to have to reseal properly to the new shingle. It's just not going to happen. But I'll keep pulling these. Should be able to pull our shingle out. Alright. We pulled the 3-tab shingle. This is the damage we have so far. A little bit of tearing across that shingle right there. A little bit of creasing on this one. And as you can see, the granulars are going everywhere, and just the mat transfer. I mean, it's in chunks. All right, I'm gonna reinstall this shingle so the homeowner's house doesn't look crazy. I'm gonna caulk it down when I'm done, but by no means is this a repair that should stand. now. Top railing will be done. So the shingle did tear. If you want to zoom in on that, while we were removing the other shell or nail, the shingle did tear right here. And as you can see, I mean, just all the granulars are going everywhere. It's a very old roof. Alright. So after reinstalling the shingle, we have tearing and creasing on top of the shingle here, across the top of these shingles here, tearing, creasing across the top, and mat transfer. The mat transfer is the biggest kicker from us. This shingle is not going to reseal properly, no matter how many repairs we do on this roof. I mean, look at the chunks. So we found about 30, maybe more wind damage on this thing, and it's going to fall apart on all of them.